Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang i-share yung experience namin dito sa home service car wash na in-avail namin lately. May bigla ang meeting kasi si Daddy with a client at kailangan magmukhang presentable yung car. Kaso sa sobrang busy niya, wala nga siyang time para ipa-car wash to sa labas. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kadami yung sasakyan, hindi na talagang linisan. Meron pang ipot ng ibon, diba? So buti na lang nakita ko tong Wash Me Mobile Car Wash sa Facebook, kaya dinownload ko kaagad yung app at madali lang gamitin. In fairness, kaya nakapag-set agad ako ng appointment. Ngayon nga yung appointment ko, kaya tingnan natin kung paano nila ginagawa. This is our first time kaya medyo hesitant kami at first, pero Wash Me proved us wrong. Their service is outstanding. Yung washer nila is very professional at talagang inalagaan niya yung car namin for 2 hours. Upgraded super deluxe nga yung pinili naming service, kaya meron itong pressurized exterior wash, shampoo, ceramic wax and protectant, glass cleaner, tire and wheel cleaning with tire black, interior cleaning with vacuum disinfectant, and may odor eliminator with fogging machine to 0. Super sulit talaga. Tingnan nyo, from this to this. Oh, kitang-kita naman yung pagkakaiba, diba? Kaya para sa mga busy families tulad namin, highly recommended talaga ang Wash Me Mobile Car Wash. No need na lumabas para magpa-car wash. If you are also looking for a unique Father's Day treat to your husband or daddy, download the app for advanced booking. Kaya mag-book na and give your husband or dad a special treat. Thank you for watching. Bye!